Right now, 86 into Vero, 88 Stewart, 85 into the Palm Beaches. We're heading up to about 90 degrees for today. 89 is the average for this time of year. We did pick up some decent rainfall earlier this morning into coastal Palm Beach County, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain. But for now, we're generally dry on the mainland. A couple of spot showers starting to develop back over into Okeechobee County. And we do have one rain shower right now from Deerfield Beach, crossing the county line into the Boca area. So that's where we do have a little bit of rain right now. In fact, some moderate rain right now on top of I-95 into southern Palm Beach County. Into the Treasure Coast, we're dry, but notice offshore we do have a couple of spot showers and storms that we're watching. As we zoom on out, the pattern remains the same. We have a front stalled right here, south of the front, lots of tropical moisture. So with the daytime heating and with the sea breezes, we're going to start to see those afternoon thunderstorms develop. Today and tomorrow, about a 50 to roughly 60% chance of showers and storms. So you may need your umbrellas at times. Again, this morning we did start off with some rain into coastal Palm Beach County. But Thursday is going to be a transition day. And then as we head into Friday and into the weekend, rain chances will be dropping as high pressure builds in. So that's going to help to limit the amount of rainfall out there. Now, in the meantime, in the tropics, we're watching a couple of waves. We have one just south of Hispaniola. This one, as it approaches the Yucatan Peninsula, will encounter some favorable conditions. So at this point in time, it could spin up into either a tropical depression or storm. Has about a 40% chance. Then we have another wave right here. This one has a low chance of developing. And then one just south of the Cabo Verde Islands. This one has a medium chance of developing. None of these expected to affect us here in South Florida. We're now officially in September, and in fact, the peak of hurricane season a week from today. Then after that, that's when we do start to head into the tail end of hurricane season, at least the back half of hurricane season. But for now, again, the tropics are on the quieter side, just a few waves out there. But notice around 2 o'clock, showers and storms starting to develop. By the evening hours, most of that active weather is over towards the Gulf Coast. And then as we head into the overnight hours, could start to see a few more coastal rain showers redevelop. 90 is the forecasted high for today. The winds out of the southeast at 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow, once again, a decent chance of those showers and storms. And then by the end of the week, we're a bit drier as high pressure builds in.